release my hands out to the side, take a big inhale in, exhale, and I'm gonna fall.
Oh no!
Yes!
No!
And you're gonna fall forward. Now this, my friends, is a fantastic Instagram picture.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another UNATION Tries. I'm Stephanie.
And I'm Faye.
And today we are at Gaze Yoga. We are going to do something a little bit different and fun and exciting today. Faye, do you want to tell us what we're doing today?
I'm so excited to announce that we are doing aerial yoga. I've never tried it before. I'm very, very excited.
I'm so
It's not your traditional yoga class, right? So I tell people it's more of an aerial experience.
Do it!
It hurts.
Yeah.
Bruh.
Oh,
You do have a splinter in there. You got it? Because I have tweezers.
Injury number one. Okay.
Okay? Now I want to put your hands together in prayer. Yes!
Look at me.
Beautiful!
Yay.
Now, I'm going to take this leg.
No.
Split.
Oh my god, it hurt.
Go Faye!
That's it.
That hurt way more than I
No,
thought.
you made that look too easy,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now, the trick is standing back up and putting your butt in the sling.
Oh,
There you go, sit.
thank you.
You're welcome. Good job.
Thanks.
Yes, yes.
Oh my god, why am I crying?
Say something to the camera.
No.
Stephanie,
Not everybody cries
Stephanie,
when
I
you
think
come to
this
class,
might
I
be
promise.
therapy for you. Are you like releasing something?
All right, guys, that was a crazy experience. Like, I think I went through therapy.
You did.
I went from being terrified to like so confident. Because I was always the kid that like was scared to do anything, and she like pushed me. Erica pushed me. She got me where I needed to be. So like that was a life-changing experience, I will say.
Yeah, I had so much fun. It's just so fun to get up there. I literally felt like a kid, just flipping around and trying different things and seeing what my body can do. And Erica is the best instructor.
Yeah, we definitely recommend coming here. She teaches the aerial yoga on Sundays at 2 p.m. And she also does bachelorettes, birthdays, mom groups, kids workshops. Like, she does it all. So no matter who you are, you definitely should check it out.
Yeah, and be sure to sign up online beforehand. If it is sold out, join the wait list, because if somebody drops out of the class, you'll get an email and you'll get a text saying that you're in it, and you don't want to miss this, because honestly, I think this is probably the most fun I've had on a UNATION Tries, for sure.
I know, I have like a high right now.
I know.
It was so cool.
I'm definitely going to be coming back, so maybe you'll see me
Yeah.
and stuff in the Sunday class.
Look like you're having fun. Yeah! Yes! That's it. Yes!
What the heck?
And now, pull yourself up. Pull. Stay in the sling. Good job. Yay! Good job.
Let's see that face.
Good job.
Thank you guys so much for watching today. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you like this video, because it really supports our channel. And be sure to subscribe, because we post a new UNATION Tries every single Tuesday. Make sure you follow all of our other socials at Stuff to Do in Tampa Bay, and check the description below. See you next time.
Bye.